Love Red is dit, hè?
Ja.
Het is echt wel heel spannend. Het staat je ook heel mooi. Je moet eens even een keer zo gooien. Met je handen even naar de achterkant zetten. Nee, gewoon dat je hem even waait.
Zo.
Als je nee zo. Ja, je gooit hem gebruik altijd zo en dan gooi je hem zo los. Dan krijg je heel mooi die tongetjes. De tong erbij. Je kunt die tongetjes echt naar voren gooien. Dan kun je helemaal die lagen zien. Spannend hè, die lagen, hè? Dat is net vuur, vind ik.
Dat is echt mooi.
Ja, vind je ook heel mooi staan. Mag je ook even naar de achterkant gooien? Ja, dit staat heel mooi. Die is ook echt heel mooi van kleur, deze ook. Gaaf, hè?
Ja, het is echt vet. Maar ook gewoon dat je kan zien hoe die kleuren bij je staan ook.
Ja, maar daarom. Kijk, je hoeft niet eerst je haar te verklooien om het te kunnen zien.
Precies.
We talk in the meantime Dutch to each other because she wants to know which colors suit her. She is starting as a staff member of mine in my salon. So that's why we also do this shoot in between to see the difference in colors.
Yeah, it's nice to see how the colors looking.
And how sexy a good wig feels.
Yeah.
Because you have hair from somebody else, but still it's your hair because you bought it.
It's nice.
Change color?
Ja, het lukt.
Ah, dat zit ik al.
I really like the curly hair, the long, thick hair.
And the color?
The color is so nice. It's a really nice color. Also the other color inside, the highlights, yeah.
And it's nice because now you have part of your own hair into the wig in the front, so you have a little bit browner line on the front.
Yeah.
So give more depth to the colors.
And it's really long.
Yeah.
Curly, I love curly hair.
Yeah, I think it's real feminine.
Yeah.
Can you throw to the back and show us?
Yeah.
Yeah, it takes a long time to grow this hair. And only 5 seconds to buy it online.
Yeah, it's really... It's also a really sexy...
But also the feeling of the hair is good. It's very strong feeling of hair.
Yes, I love this one.
Yeah, it suits you very, very well.
It's nice.
Curly hair.
Yes.
Nice.
It's nice. It's really long.
Yeah, it's really long.
Oh.
You can almost sit on it. And straight you can sit on it.
It's nice.
Try another one?
Yes, we're going to try another one.
Dat is mooi hoor.
Ja.
Heel gaaf. Ander gevoel hè?
Ja, het is echt gewoon dat lange zo. Vind ik echt altijd zo mooi.
Gooi het eens even op je rug.
Oké.
Oké, je gooit het eens even aan één kant van je gezicht. Een heel ander kopje heb je.
Ja, het is wel heel anders, ja.
Maar het is wel een hele mooie pruik, hè?
Ja, het is echt een hele mooie
Het
pruik.
is zo mooi geworden.
The color is... I love the color.
Yeah? And you find it okay?
Yes. It's a really...
It's nice also to the skin tones.
Yeah.
It makes you a little bit older.
Yes. That's true.
But, yeah.
It's a soft color.
Yeah, it don't have to be a problem.
Yeah.
A little bit older. But the color suits you very nice.
Yeah, it's a really nice color. Okay. To the back.
Wait a minute. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and this needs to go to that side.
This side.
Yeah, especially when you have your fringe that side. It's also really nice.
Yeah.
It's a total different feeling because then the other part of your face is open.
It's a new thing for the ponytail.
Yeah. It's a fringe or a bang. In English it's a fringe, and American is the bang. Hebben anders pony.
Ja, pony.
Dankjewel.
Sweet.
Again another outfit. We put on a straight wig, but you didn't like the straightness of the hair. You really love curly hair.
Yes, I really love curly hair.
And
But
this
I look
one,
different. My
yeah,
face is
soft.
looking...
And with a bit more strong lipstick, your totally appearance is much nicer and stronger. Do you like this?
Yes, I really, because I also have curly hair.
I think you get a fetish after
Yeah.
this for wigs.
I really think.
Yeah. But also when you're a hairdresser, it's so nice to be every week another person
Yes.
into the salon. Because people will look forward to see you in a different hairstyle or with a different color. And you can be an example for colors when you want to promote them to other people of coloring hair or make nice curly hair.
Every week I can do another hairstyle.
Yeah, without destroying your own hair.
Yes.
It's very nice. Yeah, it really looks good on you. You can show me.
It's different.
Yeah, absolutely. A bit Spanish.
Yes. We also have over there black hair.
Yeah. Yeah, certainly more than here in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
We have to color it to get it that dark. Now, how do you like this color?
It's different.
And the length.
Oh, I love the length.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also this wig feels very sexy.
Yeah.
I find it also very nice on the contour lines.
It's very long.
Yeah. It's nice that so many colors suit you because you can see really the difference, and now your skin tones get really light.
Yeah.
But it's not totally strange on you.
No, but it's very different.
Yeah, it's
So
real disco.
yeah, it's very different.
Or a bit feeling, where are the guys?
Yeah. Where are the guys?
I need the guys. Okay, thank you very much. It's also a nice way when you see the back, all the layering in it. When you lay the hair
very long.
Yeah.
Yes.
But not real, it's very light of feeling, you don't feel it when you wear it.
Yeah.
So it's nice to have.
I love this color. It's nice.
And how do you like this color?
It's a soft color, but I thought it was with the red
Yeah,
lipstick
lipstick.
that I'm wearing now. It was too much.
I think the combination red
Yes,
and
it's a
soft
good
pink is
combination.
really nice.
Yeah, but the color of the hair, I really, it's a soft color, so
Yeah. And as a young woman, you look like a doll a bit.
yes, Barbie.
From the candy store.
Yeah,
Sugar me for the candy free. You certainly think how I look now when I work with you. In the between we have some fun, of course. I look like Mozart with a wig like Marilyn Monroe, but doesn't matter. We have a lot of fun
a lot of
together.
fun, yes, we do. Always. So, this is nice. Really,
Yeah.
really nice. Yeah.
Okay, throw it back.
Yes.
Show you how it looks
Throw it
when
back,
it has. Really nice, the color is really nice, and the wig is also nice.
Yeah, the wig is very
Yeah.
pretty.
And ultra light.
Yes. But you can wear a lot of outfits also,
Yes.
because I'm wearing red now.
Yeah.
This is a different color.
It looks from black to white. It looks on every color
Yeah.
real nice because it's soft in hue. And when you have normally red or black clothing on, it looks harder on you. But when you put a wig on like this, it's just like the touch of sugar and something sweet.
Yes.
It brings something
That's
softness
true.
on it.
Yeah,
Thank you very much for showing.
You're welcome.
And how do you like this color?
Yeah,
You
it's a nice
especially love the
color.
long hair, of course.
Yes.
It's a real long wig.
It's a lovely color.
Yeah.
It's really
It's
also soft
trendy.
color. Yeah.
This is real autumn winter color, because when you would color your hair like this, I'm certain when you do this in summertime, all the colors will be gone in a week, because the light of the sun will take it away.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
It's
really
nice to see that so many colors suit you.
Mm-hmm.
And so many long hair also suit you.
Yeah, that's nice to see with
Yeah.
wigs. You can see which color.
Yeah, and you
It's
don't
nice
have to
to-
damage your hair at all.
No.
You only have to find a guy like me with a fetish of wigs.
Yeah, that's true. Did I put it up?
I really love wigs. Because there are a lot of wigs you never achieve what a wig shows you.
That's true.
And that's what I like about it.
But you can also see how your face is
Mm.
going out with the wig on.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And you can really change your feelings
Yes.
of the
That's,
day also.
Yeah.
Because when you get dark feelings, you put on a light wig.
yeah.
And when you feel ultra bright and shiny, you can put on a darker wig.
Yes.
So you can do a lot with wigs.
A lot of colors you can put on.
Yeah.
It's a nice
Nice.
color.
Die is heel erg gek voor lange haar.
Ja, ik hou er echt van.
Ja,
Gewoon zo lekker.
dat gevoel.
Ja, de gevoel gewoon. Want je kan gewoon lekker helemaal gewoon.
Ja, naar beneden glijden.
Zoals ik net zei, gewoon, als je staat, dan zie je het nog steeds hangen. Dat is wel.
Daar staat je mooi. And how does this wig feel?
It's also a light wig,
Yeah?
and the colors are very special.
Yeah, it's
They
ready.
have a lot of colors
Shades.
on the wig. Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like a mermaid.
Yeah.
That is nice.
You really look like it.
Yeah.
Thank God you don't smell like it. I really love everything from the sea.
Yeah.
So also mermaids.
Mermaids.
And do you think you would wear a wig like this when you go to a party or something? Or to a festival? After Corona?
Yeah. Yes. But I think for myself, my first choice
Yeah?
is denk ik one color.
Yeah.
But now I'm wearing this one, and it's very, very special, very different,
Yeah.
because you don't see this a lot.
You don't see a lot of people with this.
No.
But every color looks really nice on you.
Yeah, it's
So
also
you can
have
wear a lot of
different-
colors.
Yeah,
But that I think is the most important thing. Your eyes are always telling who you are.
yes.
So the hair doesn't matter. Even when you're bald, you're
Yeah.
beautiful.
The eyes are always speaking.
Yeah. It's the most
True.
important thing you have.
They're very long. I love long hair.
Yeah. We turn like you did just in front of this position. Yeah, nice. Thank you very much. So now we go to the bob.
Yes, we go to the bob.
Go to the bob.
To the bob.
Let's bob together. Now to end this session, you have a bob.
Yes.
How do you like to have a bob?
I don't feel here
The hairs?
the hair. So it's really, yeah,
Uncomfortable feeling for a
Yes.
young girl.
that's true.
But what do you like about the colors?
The color, I love the color because it's with the black hair
Yeah.
also. And I get a soft red color.
Yeah.
That's a really,
The
That's
dark,
color,
the
that's a
dark
nice color, yeah.
first part.
but it's too short or something. Cause I
Yeah, you like
don't feel
to
here
like to
hair.
feel hair.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it doesn't feel strange on you. It makes you a little bit older.
Mhm.
I think it's also mostly a bob like this for a bit older
Yes.
women, girls.
Yes, that's true. Yeah.
I think youth has something more beauty with long hair. Or ultra short.
Mhm.
But then you have to wear that yourself because you have the power to do that.
Yes, that's true. Yes. I think I'm gonna stay by my long hair and maybe.
You never know.
No, you never know.
You're a staff member of mine, so you never know
Yes, that's
how
true.
far you go with your hair.
That's true.
It can be when there will be maybe a part that you think I go platinum blonde
That's true. You never
and
know.
short. No, I will always love you.
I love you too.
I know.
You know.
Yeah, we have something in common.
Yes.
A soul friendship.
Mhm. Should I?
Yeah,
Okay.
turn. Yeah, but they can see that. So when you turn, they can see it. What I like the most about the bob is that the shoulders are free
Yes.
and your neck supports your head that more. It's more standing up feeling
Yes.
because long hair takes you a bit down.
It's true.
But I should wait with this till when you are
Yeah.
30, 35 or something like that.
Yes, that's what I want to
Then
say.
it really
because
suits you.
I really look older.
Yeah, you do. But thank you for this wonderful session.
You're welcome.
Hey.